When she had the scissor there, I knew something's bad gonna happen. Oh yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. कैसे यार? Annyeong. Hello. Namaste. Tashi the lake. Kabula. Jozulapa. Annyeong. के भन्छ? I think that's it. My battery ran out, so I had to take my towel out, and my hair is still wet, so I just need to dry it and then start doing my fringe. So yeah, she's still, I don't know why she's shouting. As a fringe cut, I've been saying that for like how long? Probably like 6 months. Like I'm lazy, and then I'll be filming how I cut my fringe. It's the kind of like, this is good when that it's still a couple of bits. Can you see it's still long? He used to have like this short fringe. I was like, oh okay, like you know what, I'm just gonna like, you know, get my hair done. I thought because she was Asian, I thought she could do like the nice fringe, like you know, the Korean style khalko. It's like dairy fringe but bhako nai thodi fringe bhako nai thikako, you know, मेरो यस्तो massive nidar chopne milcha bhanera. I'm not gonna tell you which salon, but do your own, like watch before, like in the videos haru कसरी fringe काट्ने भनेर. Maybe I went to wrong salon. I told her it is a couple काट्दिनु भनेर. I was like, oh, can I have like हिन्छ halka fringe, like you know, nice cute ones? And she was like, oh okay, I'll do it, blah blah blah. And I was like, okay, मेरो मनदेखि त्यसलाई भरोसा राखेर त्यसलाई fringe काट्न लगाएको. For goodness sake, when she had the scissor there, I knew something's bad gonna happen. I'm still scarred, you know. Karne bela, she did like the shortest fringe ever. It was like worse than Dora the Explorer. I was about to cry. If I have the video, I'll put it down here. お前はもう死んでいる。何? Boom, boom. Dora the Explorer, guys. Okay, guys, I'll be back with my aligati makeup on. Got it up. I'm gonna dry my hair and then I'll be back with you guys. I'm back. Couple dry girls makeup like makeup aligati launchu bhaneko यति धेरै भयो है. I feel like it's too much, but not really. I don't know. अब चाहिँ cutting session सुरु. त्यसको लागि तपाईलाई चाहिन्छ कैंची. कैंचीले कैंची नभए केले काट्छ है. मेरो huge brush. Oh my god, माफ पाऊ. There's like few hair. It says detangler, but it tangles, so it doesn't really work. I just like the holographic or yeah, I just like this design. To divide मेरो यस्तो hair parts a hair clip. You know, अगाडिको कपाल यस्तो जाने बेला पछाडी कपाल यस्तो च्याप्नु पर्यो नि, you know. अब सुरु गरौँ है. shade सुन्नु नि, पहिला मैले as I was saying, मेरो कपालको story. So basically त्यति बेला चाहिँ के भयो भने salon जाने बेला चाहिँ I'm just gonna look up माथि because I'm like middle parting गर्ने बेला I have to look, otherwise I'm not that good in middle parting. Oh my god, look at my forehead, so big. नेपालमा भन्छ नि ठुलो निधार भएको भाग्यमानी हुन्छ भनेर. Am I even भाग्यमानी? Straight enough. So त्यति बेला चाहिँ म कपाल काट्न गएको थिएँ अनि म र Bikina थियौँ. And then I was like, oh okay, अब त कति पछि कपाल काट्न पायो हुन्छ नि, अब fringe पनि गर्ने. And त्यो fringe गर्नको लागि I was like, oh, maybe like, you know, Sarama salon or maybe Asian salon गयो भने I thought they would know, like in any fringe, Rama fringe wala, but it was messed up. I would never ever go there. It's like, what's the money get through paisa तिर्यो कपाल काट्न गयो, and then कपाल काटेको पनि it's like कपाल fringe काटेको पनि यत्रो straight काटेको. That's so waste of money. मेरो कति पाउन्डको. So they say like I used to do like मेरो यो line छ नि, यसको line को ठ्याक्कै 1.5 जतिको length मा गर्छु. So this is 1 and this is half. यो लेन्थ को मा गरेर मैले यसरी नापेर where is my hairline? Oh, I look so creepy. यति जतिको लाइनमा and then I would just like pull this straight up and then divide. यसरी oh my god, it's been so long. मैले यसो कपाल काटेको like fringe काटेको that I'm losing my focus. So I would just pull यताको मेरो sideburns पनि because like I go like लामै sideburns अलिअलि कपाल यताबाट sideburns को बाट पनि अलिअलि काट्यो भने it just looks like मजाले layer अनुसार गएको. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side following this part. I'm losing my focus, guys. Put it patari. Looks like this. It is kind of uneven. This is like longer than this one. Maybe pala mal tesari कपाल काटेर this वाला fringe काट्ने बेला कुनै कुनै मान्छेले like they do istri and then they just cut chocolate and then पछि they end up like you know Dora the Explorer जस्तो hair यति जतिको divide गरेपछि and I'm just taking the middle part again यताबाट oh god it looks so creepy यताबाट यसरी लिएर त्यस चिल्ने छ अनि यताबाट त्यस चिल्ने so your middle part this is the one which I'm gonna cut. It's like you just measure like you know you can just see like how big it's gonna spread. I'm just gonna pinch middle part because that's gonna be like sano one. Oh my god, kati baje couple kateko is like it feels so weird. Already guys, chop time. I'm scared. Pinch couple like this. So measure garera tacky like nakko eda rakhne first. So I'm just gonna like nakko tupo ma lier janchu. You just chop it. Oh my god, that is so long. Isma katyo bhane it will go shorter. So when you like it's a nakko length ma or like eda tira katyo bhane it will be like perfect size. I didn't do tip of my nose tip of my nose but I just did like alikati mathi pati अब यो भएपछि अब this two side को बाकी so side को लिने बेला यो middle part गरेर holding it so यहाँबाट चाहिँ म I cut like यसो गरेर के and then when you cut you pull down at the same time so it doesn't chop like proper गरेर के it's still kind of like you know यता लामो यो सिधै लामो यो छोटो भएर so I'm just gonna fix that part like this length wire but you have to pull it down like when you cut it it's like so it will be like you know layers खालको देख्नुभयो this side is quite a bit long so त्यसै गरेर फेरि I'm just gonna like गाला गर्ने let's not do that guys थरीको फ्रिन्जहरु हुन्छ अब I prefer like यसरी आको अब साइडको तान्ने this part is quite tricky and easy at the same time I don't know how to say that यही लेयर सँग यसो सरेर जाने not that much you just want to keep your like हुन्छ नि अलिकति पुरानो कपाल like यही लेन्थ को बिस्तारै same goes here in this side as well when you like cut on both sides it's a measure gonna get so right side left side go make sure it's like even you can just check like यसरी check गर्ने and then like check kada end हुन्छ भनेर so यो pinch लिएर like you can see like in कुनै couple is like अलिकति कुनै लामो कुनै छोटो छ यसै I cut it like upward so it doesn't like show like you know the straight line so when I do this it's like कुनै couple छोटो लामो देखाउँछ it's still kind of long but I'm quite happy मेरो fringe काट्ने हो भने I'm just gonna do at home like यसरी I think देखिबाट होला मैले like आफ्नै fringe काट्न सुरु गरे and then that's how I learned यो के हो यो fringe काटेको के काटेको यो टुप्पी काटे जस्तो yeah for me is okay what do you think guys comment down below, or if I'm doing wrong way, like if I'm cutting it wrong way, just let me know, or like put any link down there and I'll just go check, and when this little one grows out here, and I'll cut it again. Paid upload again. If I have to say in Tibetan, something it ring the this to be this tundu che shira tundu eme che this ya ning jo shin to be ne changmalo khanedo tatuki di kasunga maso comment nang chita tatuki di ning jo dunna kuji like to chi ni subscribe and rogon zola share chi. So that was my Tibetan language. If you like this hair, thank you very much for listening to me. Mero fringe koti maina pachi ayo teti nei bhayo, and next time maybe arko ramro video with these and kitty sanga Bikina ra Sabs sanga la arko video ke aune cha. Stay tuned. More things to come. Dhanyawad, dhanyawad. Bye.
밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고